Hi friends, myself Dr. Surojit Ghosh speaking from Kolkata, India. Today's subject of discussion is hepatitis B or C, which is more fatal, how to prevent. The word hepatitis originates from two Greek words, hyper and itis. Hyper means liver and itis means inflammation. So hepatitis means inflammation of liver. Liver may be inflamed from various reasons. One major and grave reason is virus. Researchers have so far found 5 viruses, namely HVA, HVB, HVC, HVD, and HVE that cause hepatitis. These are short name. HVB, HVA means hepatitis virus A, HVB hepatitis virus B, in this way. Statistics say of all hepatitis cases in the world, 80% relate to only HVB and HVC, and about 20 to 25% cases prove fatal out of the last 80 cases. Though HVC is much frequently discussed and derives more research funding, scientists and researchers assert that HVB is much more fatal than HVC. Why HVB is more fatal and how to prevent it are the sole objective of this discussion. Now, briefly, the images. The first one, top, right side top, hepatitis B. It is a three-dimensional image of ultra microscope of the virus B. And below, there are few stages of hepatitis. Actually, when infection start, first occurs acute hepatitis. That is not shown in the figure. This acute hepatitis lingers up to 6 months. Thereafter, it becomes chronic hepatitis. This is the chronic hepatitis stage. Chronic hepatitis stage. Chronic hepatitis stage, if it is not cured, then it moves to very most common disease, most common fatal disease, cirrhosis of liver. This is the cirrhosis of liver. And finally, it moves to liver cancer. Then there are 4 stages. First stage is acute hepatitis, chronic hepatitis. Acute lingers up to 6 months, more than 6 months, chronic hepatitis. Then chronic hepatitis moves to cirrhosis of liver. Finally, it goes to cancer, liver cancer. What are the symptoms of HPV infection? Number 1, pain in abdomen. Number 2, fever. Number 3, loss of appetite. Number 4, nausea and vomiting. Number 5, pain in joints. Number 6, severe fatigue. Number 7, high color urine. Number 8, jaundice. Special type of blood tests, liver ultrasonography and liver biopsy are conducted to confirm HPV infection. How does HPV infection spread? HPV infection spread from blood to blood. It does not spread through sneezing, coughing, touching. Major sources of infection are sex, including anal sex. Actually, blood to blood, you can call it also tissue, body fluid. That well is body fluid. Other body fluid also includes here. Injection and piercing needles. Now, the images. This is the skeleton in short. All the joints have been shown in red dots. This joint pain, high color urine, jaundice. This side is normal, this side is jaundice side. While one in jaundice, skin becomes yellowish and the sclera also becomes yellowish. These 3 are the conclusive symptoms of hepatitis. Hepatitis, not HBV, but hepatitis. In case of hepatitis, I have already told the hepatitis first stage is hepatitis, then it moves to chronic, then it moves to cirrhosis, ultimately cancer. And this image shows that a person habituated to take drug, possibly is taking injections, and this is a couple. Why is HPV more fatal than HCV? Despite availability of vaccine, rate of infection by HPV is 10 times more than that of the HCV. HPV causes much more death than HCV does. HPV can survive against inimical environment for a longer time. That is, HPV, hepatitis virus B, is very much tough, so it affects more patients. After infection, that is acute chronic stage, HCV first causes cirrhosis, then cancer. So doctor gets time to screen these cases. But HPV after primary infection, that is say acute chronic, disease goes asymptotic. There is no symptom, as if he has cured. Then arises liver cancer suddenly and patient dies. See the trouble with HPV. Now, note the images here. HCV is infecting healthy liver. Then there are two stages, acute chronic, then liver cirrhosis, then liver cancer. HPV attacks healthy liver. The patient go asymptotic. That is after suffering for a few months, maybe 6 months, maybe more than 6 months, he becomes asymptotic. There is no symptom, no trouble, as if he is cured. Then suddenly occurs liver cancer. How to prevent hepatitis B? Number 1, don't delay to take vaccine for HPV. Number 2, take absolute care about needles and injections used by others. Number 3, take care of sex partners. Number 4, avoid contact from others' blood. Number 5, take absolute care of liver. Take absolute care of liver. Avoid carefully every single food drinks item that harms liver. Mind it. Why I am giving much pressure on this liver? About 80%, it is already discussed, about 80% of all hepatitis cases are covered by HPV and HPC. Out of that, only 20 to 25% becomes fatal. So where is this 60%? This 60% are fight out by liver. That is, if your liver is good, you will be cured. So keep your liver okay. Then in that case, there is absolute chance of recovering fully. Now how you do this, that I have told here one by one. Avoid carefully every single item that harms liver, such as all addiction, solid, liquid, gaseous, artificially colored, chemical mixed foods, drinks, food drinks with much salt, much sugar, much saturated fats. Avoid completely all food items with trans fat. Do not take much of the following 10 medicine. Number 1, acetaminophen. Number 2, amiodarone. Number 3, allopurinol. Number 4, amoxicillin. Number 5, diclofenac. Number 6, all anti-seizures medicines. Number 7, isoniazid. Number 8, azathioprine. Number 9, risperidone. Number 10, methotrexate. Excess of all this can cause fatal iatrogenic hepatitis leading to liver failure. Now, see, I am basically a homeopath doctor. I know medicine. Medicine means practice of medicine, that is various diseases, their stage, how the pathology occurs, various steps. But I know very little about allopathic medicines because I do not practice allopathic medicines. So I collected this name of the medicine from internet, where a top ranking allopathic doctors has he has just simply gravely noted that out of 100 case, almost 50% case relates to medicine related liver failure. He flatly agrees. He flatly, rather, what should I say? He thinks so. He thinks so that out of 100 cases, 50% relates to liver failure due to medicine. And there are about 900 medicines. Of this 900 medicine, he just gave the top ranking 10 names that I have shown here. So these names are not given by me. I have collected this from internet. You all can verify it. On the right hand side, the images, simple images are given. Hepatitis B vaccine. There are some addictions, and these foods are high in trans fat. Trans fat is very inimical, very inimical to liver. So you avoid completely this food, this type of food prepared in trans fat. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If there is any trouble and something to know from me, please feel free to write in the comment section.